I am Dr. Rajlakshmi Naik from Mumbai. I am a healer and personal productivity and wellness coach. Long, long ago, there was a king. Once a priest visited him, and the king very warm-heartedly welcomed him, gave him a lot of respect. Happily, the priest gave him one bag he gave him, and he said, this small bag you keep always with you. There is something in that. So whenever you are going out or wherever you go, you keep this along with you. There is something inside. When you feel that nothing is left with you than to die, that time you open this. Otherwise, keep it as it is. The king realized the importance of that potli and he thought of following the priest's words. Sometime later, the king from the other kingdom attacked this kingdom. With many soldiers, he came out of the kingdom to save the lives of his peoples. He fought very bravely, but unfortunately he got defeated. So he ran along with his remaining soldiers. He ran so fast that his soldiers remained behind. And sometime later he found that a few of the soldiers are coming behind him. He saw, and the soldiers were of the other kingdom. There was no other way left because in front of him was a big valley. So he thought, it's better to die than to be surrendered. Suddenly he remembered the priest's words. The potli was still with him. He took it out, he opened it, and he saw there was one small chit. He read it. It was written on that, these days will go. He read it again, and then he said, no, I still have the hopes. So he hid himself somewhere. The soldiers went. After a few days, one by one, his remaining soldiers meet him, and he got his balanced army once again. With the joy and with the courage, they fought back with the kingdom and they took it back. This is a very small story, but it gave many morals. One thing is that these days will go. See the situations now. This pandemic will go. Keep the hope. Secondly, one more thing I want to tell you that only one person cannot do anything, but many people together can do something. This is what I want to tell you now. See, if you are sensitive, aware of the outside conditions, you are aware of the pandemic situations outside, the spreading fear in people's mind, loneliness in their mind, helplessness, and the problems in many aspects. If you feel the pain for them, and if you wish to do something for it, but couldn't understand what to do, then you are very, very, very important person for the society. Just like the COVID warriors, world needs you too. But think over once again that you should understand the pain of the others, but you should not get involved in that pains, but you should able to take the others out from that pain. If you have that ability, you are definitely the one who is needed now. What you need to do is just spread your positivity in your words to your near ones, in your contacts, to those who have started getting very depressed, fearful, desperate due to the conditions outside. Believe me, a ray of positivity is the sun of hope. You may become cause of someone's survival. Be the diya at night and spread your light, not for yourself but for the society. You are at most needed person now in this world. Be who you are and just think once what I said. Thank you.